Hi, welcome to the Wooden Spoon powered by Vandevi and Vaidehi Hing. This is Chef Nupur Varma. Today, I'm making one of my favorite recipes, which is the green salsa. I hope you enjoy this recipe. For our green salsa, in my mixer jar, I'm going to add in some green tomatoes or raw tomatoes. Finely chopped onion, finely chopped coriander, finely chopped jalapenos. Jalapenos can be either tinned or fresh. Some finely chopped garlic, some mixed herbs. These are dried herbs that I'm using. Taco seasoning, and some red chili paste. Red chili paste is made out of Kashmiri chilies which have been soaked and then crushed to make a paste. All my ingredients are in the mixie. This is going to be pulsed and not pureed. So the mixer doesn't have to be on all the time constantly. We will be pulsing it because we don't want it to be a puree. The green salsa is ready, so you can eat this with chips, put it on your tacos, eat it with your nacho chips, have it however you like. I hope you enjoy this recipe.